Gitari, and I'm the team leader for an agency called Brandspark PR, which specializes in providing solutions to entrepreneurs to help them build trust and gain more visibility in the markets. So the one thing that I tell all my clients is that no one will buy from you if they don't know who you are. It's very important for you to build your brand and to ensure that people can connect with you as much as possible so that they can begin to buy from you. So in a sense, PR is a catalyst for sales, and it's one of the 5 marketing tools. Thank you.